Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, celebrating my 126 subscribers. I celebrate you all, I see you all, and I really appreciate you all. If you're stumbling on my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel for more healthy and good recipes like this one you've stumbled upon. Are you looking for a delicious healthy meal prep idea for a week? This video is certainly for you. I'll show you how to cook perfectly seasoned salmon with a colorful mix of chopped carrot, mushroom, red and yellow bell peppers, cabbage, onion, garlic and ginger. I'll also add a touch of cooked red beans and pair it with hearty brown rice for a balanced and satisfying meal. This easy and nutritious meal prep will keep you full and fueled for the entire week without thinking of what to cook, and it's just so easy, and the ingredients you can choose to pair it with the veggies that you prefer. It is very high protein, packed with fiber and nutrients, and perfect for weight management. Are you struggling with your weight and you want to lose weight, or you want to maintain your weight? Meal prepping is one of the ways to keep yourself consistent on your weight loss journey. So I'll be showing you how to make this healthy garlic flavored salmon stir fry a meal prep for an entire week, and you won't regret joining to this particular recipe and trying this particular recipe. And if you will be trying this recipe, please say on the comment section below that I'll be trying this healthy salmon recipe. You know, many people love salmon, but cooking it in a very delicious but yet trying to focus on losing weight is another plus of this weight loss journey. And if you're just new or stumbling on this particular video for the first time, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment on the comment section below. I am new here and I will be sending you a hello, or I will be sending you a package that would not be revealed yet. I'll be sending you a package to all my newbies on this channel. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, share this recipe to as many as you can, those who are struggling to lose weight and those who are struggling to balance their health and their healthy lifestyle. Please share this video with them and it will help someone somewhere. Meal prepping is just a game changer that has helped me. I am a testimony. I have been doing this for almost a year now, and I am so proud. And if you are stumbling on this channel for the first time, you can watch other videos I have made about my weight loss and transformation in general, and how long it has taken me, and how much I have lost, how much weight I have lost entirely. So after all the prepping of my vegetables, this is how it's looking like, looking so sumptuous and appetizing, at the same time very healthy and very delicious. And prepping it like this makes cooking very much easy. That's why I don't play with my gadgets in the kitchen, my food processor and everything that makes life easy for me. I don't joke with it. So it just gives me the ease. I didn't stay in the kitchen for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes was the max I stayed in this kitchen, and a week lunch preparation was already prepared. So get your gadgets and make life easy for yourself. So as I said on the video, it is a stir fry salmon veggies, and you see I'll be frying this salmon in the beginning just to give it a little bit of cook, so that I can be able to mash it and prepare it in the method I have decided to do it in this particular video. You can decide to fry it and put it like this, whole like this, but I wanted to chop everything so that I get all the goodness, and it will be easy for packaging as well. So you can do it any other way you want. You can replace some of the veggies and put your own favorite veggies. It goes very well with broccoli and other veggies as well, so you can decide to do it with any way you want. It is still very good. Salmon is a very flexible dish, that the most flexible dish that I know about, because you can cook it anyhow, it will still turn out very good. So this is me. I have fried the first batch. I'm taking that out and I will be frying the second batch in a jiffy. So continue the video and don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and say in the comment section below what's your favorite salmon recipe, and I will be probably picking out one or two of those recipes to try them out on this channel.